Hello and welcome to Make a Hanging Organizer. My name is Yvonne and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. Today we'll be making a handy hanging organizer, perfect for keeping your favorite pens, pencils, and other small school supplies within reach. We will need a few items to make this project. Paper plates, markers for decorating, a pencil, eraser, and ruler, scissors, a hole punch, any type of string you have. I'm using yarn today, but twine or ribbon would also look nice, and some optional tape. We will begin by cutting one paper plate in half. Here's a super easy way to do that. Fold it in half, creasing each side. Now mark each crease you made with the pencil. Then line up both pencil marks with a ruler and draw a line across. Cut along the ruler line with scissors. This might be a good time to decorate your plate, or you can do it later too if you prefer. Remember, the outside of the organizer needs to stick out to create a pouch for your goodies. So check that you are decorating the side that curves outwards. You can also get creative and decorate the full plate, which will be the back of your organizer. After you are satisfied with your design, gently push the puffy part of the half plate in. Line the piece up with your full plate and punch holes along the edge. This is the part where you could use tape to keep the two pieces together if it helps you keep the pieces lined up. Just remember to remove your tape before you begin lacing. Now we are ready to begin lacing. Gently push the puffy part of your half plate back out and line the piece up with the full plate. You should be able to match the holes up from one end to the other. Taking a long piece of string, lace it through the two first holes on both plates and tie a knot. Now we will pull the string through the second hole. And back under the string. Let's try it out a few times together. Pull it through the two holes. And back under the string. Pull it through the two holes and back under the string. If you run out of string before making it through all the holes, no worries. You can always join another string to the first piece of string. And we're almost done. Just tie off your string at the end. And tie a string at each of the first holes on the opposite ends to hang your organizer. Now your favorite school supplies will be easy to find whenever you need them. Speaking of school, did you know you can get free live homework help with your LA County Library card? Just visit our website at lacountylibrary.org. Select Teens and Kids, then Homework Help. With your library card and PIN number, you can connect with live online tutors every day from 12 to 10 p.m. in both English and Spanish. We hope you enjoyed Make a Hanging Organizer. Click on the link in the description for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.